way this works. So I'm going to reset progress. Yes. And then all right, so we're going to click this link and answer the questions. What is the technique used by the APT to perform recon and gain initial access? Let's see. Spearfishing link. Yeah, right here. And I'm denying somehow. Well, technique. Sunny identified that the APT might have moved forward from the recon phase. Which accounts might the APT compromise while developing resources? Okay, so we're going to look in resource development because it says developing resources, so that's a hint. Like resource development. I see email accounts. So if we can technique. eCorp has found that the threat might have gained initial access using social engineering to make the user execute code for the threat actor. Sunny wants to identify if the group was also successful in execution. What 2 techniques of user execution should Sunny look out for? Okay, let's see. So we execution, malicious file, and malicious link. Yeah, wait, hold on. I can get it this way, so I can do malicious file and malicious link. Okay. If the above technique was successful, which scripting interpreters should she search for to identify successful execution? Execution. Here we go. PowerShell and Windows command line. Windows command shell. And let me close these ones up. While looking at the scripting interpreters identified in the previous question, she found some obfuscated scripts that changed the registry. Assuming these changes are for maintaining persistence, which registry keys should Sunny observe to track these changes? Let's look at the hint. Is the exact text from the attack navigator. Okay. Okay, so it's under persistence and let's do view technique. It's registry run keys. And let's close stuff. Sunny, she identified that the APT executes system binaries to evade defenses. What binaries execution should she scrutinize for proxy execution? So that's under defense evasion and proxies. Uh, I'm stuck. Run DL 32. Okay. Oh, yeah, it does say here it says system binary proxy execution. And you have run DLL 32. To identify TCP dump on one of the compromised hosts. Assuming this was placed there by the threat actor, which technique might the group be using here for discovery? I think it's, wait, let me discovery. Uh, Network sniffing under discovery. Discovery, network sniffing, just network sniffing. Okay. It looks like the group achieved lateral movement by exploiting remote services. Which remote services should she observe to identify activity traces? Looks like lateral movement. Uh, SMB Windows admin shares. It looks like the primary goal of the group was to steal intellectual property from eCorp's information repositories. Which information repository can be the likely target of the group? Collection. So this thing's a SharePoint. Let's see. Collection. Data from information repositories. SharePoint. Although the group had collected the data, it could not connect to the command and control for data exfiltration to thwart any attempts to do that. What types of proxy might the group use? Technique 1 and Technique 2. Might want to take a more detailed screenshot of this. Well, I guess I already took this. So external, okay. Okay. So, external proxy. And what's this? What's that? View technique. Multi-hop proxy. I guess I can X this out. Okay. And congratulations, you have helped or successfully thwart the group's nefarious designs by stopping it from achieving its goal of stealing the intellectual property of E-Core. I'm going to reload the room. And I got all the questions. There's this guide is linked. So